airbrush artist. You know, when I was doing fashion show back home in Australia, there was this makeup artist who came to me and she's like, I'll do your makeup with airbrush.
Yeah.
I have never heard about airbrush. It is an amazing tool.
Right, yeah,
And you do your art from there. How did it start?
As we can share.
Oh, there you are.
No,
You've got it engraved
yeah,
there.
but I have my airbrush.
Please show, yeah.
I was born with the airbrush on my hands.
You are a tattoo artist, I can see a lot.
Yeah, I love to express your body with the tattoos. I think that it's a really good way, in aesthetic way. Well, in my case, being a tattoo artist, I would love to connect or to find a relationship between the nature and the humans.
So if somebody comes to you and says that I would like to get a tattoo, and do you ask them the meaning, why, or you just do it? Hello everyone, I'm Reena Augustine from Community Impact. Today I have the pleasure to talk to a beautiful woman who is half Chilean, half Venezuelan, and here in France. Her name is Kim Bellorin and she calls herself as the airbrush artist. Hi Kim.
Hey, hi Reena, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
The beautiful woman also is for you.
Oh, thank you,
That's
thank
also
you.
my pleasure.
Kim, airbrush artist, you know, it's so funny. When I was doing fashion show back home in Australia, there was this makeup artist who came to me and she's like, I'll do your makeup with airbrush.
Yeah.
I have never heard about,
definitely.
I have never heard about airbrush. And after that also, I never heard about it. It is an amazing tool.
Right, yeah,
And
it is.
you do your art from there. So how did it start?
Do you want to know about the parts of the airbrush?
Yes, please.
Yes, we can share.
Oh, there you are.
No, that's
You've got
good.
it engraved
Yeah,
there.
but I have my airbrush.
Please show, yeah.
Well, this is the airbrush, guys, or people. All of this actually is coming from my family. I have to say it, from my mom, from my uncle also. Both of them, they're airbrush artists. They started doing art and studying art. But after they started with the technique in USA and they brought the technique to Venezuela and started having an academy in Venezuela of airbrush.
Okay.
So I was born with the airbrush on my hands. Like since I have 2 years old that I can remember that I had an airbrush on my hand. Of course I was playing at that age, but then yeah, it was instantly.
So your mom
cannot
is
resist.
No, you can't.
No.
You can't, because you said that in the studio, your mom used to be in the studio and you used to crawl around all the art stuff,
exactly.
and that's how you grew up.
Yeah.
So you
That
get it
was
from
how
your
I-
mom.
Yeah, from my mom, from my uncle, from my family. Yeah,
Mhm.
I want to call them family because it was both of them. They gave to me different inspiration about the airbrush.
So you are a tattoo artist. I can see a lot of
I'm
tattoos
also a
right
tattoo
there.
artist. Yeah,
okay.
not because I have it, but yeah, I love to express your body with the tattoos. I think that it's a really good way, in aesthetic way. When the tattoos has a mean, it's also beautiful. But yeah, I'm into tattoo word in
So
general.
you mentioned that when we were speaking last time, tattoo is not like just go and get a tattoo. It's connecting.
Yeah.
It's finding who you are, what you
or
are.
I want that is the real meaning to get a tattoo.
Yeah. So explain.
Well, in my case, being a tattoo artist, I would love to connect or to find the relationship between the nature and the humans. That's my personal opinion. I know that we have a lot of tattoo artists around the world that they're doing the same, or they're connecting people with nature, doing botanical, floral art. And in my case, I really want that someone wants to get a tattoo with me. First of all, we need to have a connection. I need to know what he, she, or that person really wants. And after that, it's a part that your body that you're, in a way, you're giving to me to create something that is going to be on your body all your life.
Yeah.
So I want to be really careful in the moment to do it. And yeah, try to do it in the best way.
So if somebody comes to you and says that I would like to get a tattoo, and do you ask them the meaning, why, or you just do it?
First, let's talk about it.
Okay.
Yeah. First, because you have so many tattoo artists in this world, like doing tattoos, being in that way, and you have so many tattoo shops for so many type of people, I can say that. So it's different tattoos that you can get. I would love when the tattoo has a meaning or a reason, even if it's aesthetic, but there is the thing that the client or the customer wants, and it's the thing that the tattoo artists are doing as their art. So I would love when that came from that point. So it's like, I like your art, I love what you are doing, and I want to have a piece of you. And that piece that you draw before, that you are designing for me, have a connection. So that is like a little point that I think that we need to care about it.
You know, last time when I spoke to you again, you actually inspired me by telling me that, you know, the teachings that I've got is from my mother. And you said, she told me, do what makes you happy. And that's what you did. And you traveled the places. You left, you packed, and you traveled. Tell me, where all did you go?
Well, I love to do what I really want. It's a challenge, I have to say. It's not too easy to start your day and planning every day what you really want to do, because you need some steps to reach that goal that you have in your mind. Even if it's go to the other country, like cross the continent, actually in my case. And yeah, I don't know what you want to...
What all countries did you go and live?
I was doing a kind of Europe tour. You know, that South American people we are used to do that, but in a way that to try to find in which place I can feel really comfy. Now I'm here. I'm so grateful to be here in Marseille, in France. And yeah, I think that first of all you need to look for the place, or you need to feel comfy in the place, because that is the way that you can do your art. Yeah, that's really connected with yourself. And after that, believe. I think that this will be a little bit cliche, but you need to believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself, which is very important. You know, I have met many women, men. Confidence is something that people do not have. You have to build it in yourself. So where do you get your confidence from? How did you create it?
Oh, from many times that the people say to me, no. I think that you need to just follow doing your things, and once again, you need to be connected with yourself, because when I'm painting, when I'm tattooing, when I'm doing my art, is my best moment on my day, on my life. I really feel connected with the thing that I'm doing. I feel happy, I feel peaceful, I feel like I'm with that, I'm part of that. I'm not looking to be part of a group of humans. I'm not looking to be part of a group of culture or a country. I'm looking to be part of me, to myself. So since I understand that I really feel in that way when I'm doing this, I just wanted to do it every day.
Oh, wow.
And I'm looking for do it every day in the different way that I can do it.
I love it, I love it. How long you been here in Marseille?
J'habite à Marseille depuis 2 mois.
Okay, 2 months.
Yeah.
Wow.
I arrived 2 months ago.
2 months, and you love it here?
I came here before, last year. I was here for 3 weeks, and I just realized that it's my place. I say to myself, okay, I want to live here. I don't know if it will be my place forever, but now in this moment, I want to live here. And yeah, 2 months. And I think that have been the beautiful 2 months on this time. And yeah, for me, in my case again, because of course I'm talking from my experience and my perspective, Marseille is a beautiful place to open the doors for new artists or people that are coming here, even if they are not speaking French.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's a multicultural place.
Yeah.
You meet so many people from different backgrounds of their life, as well as culture and the country.
Exactly.
Wow. So, okay, I have a question to ask you. Who is your best friend right now in your life?
I have so many best friends.
Yeah, this is a mistake you made.
I cannot.
No, tell me one. Tell me one.
Please. Yeah, I don't want that they
here.
yeah.
Okay. So, what are the qualities in a best friend?
Confidence. Like, I need to trust on them.
Trust.
Also.
Yeah, trust.
I need to admire them. I love to admire my friends. And yeah, I think that's all simple.
Very important.
And yeah, for me, the relationships, even like the friendships, every kind of relationship have to be, you need to grow. I mean, you need to cultivate this relationship. So you need to put some water, you need to add some fertilizers, you need to do things. You need to call, you need to, hey, we can do a video call. Hey, can I go to see you? I have too many friends around Europe that when I have time or when I say, oh, they invite me, it's like, can you come? Yeah, of course, I will do it. If I have the time, if I can do it, I will do it. Because I think it's the way to
So they say that you can't clap with one hand. It needs two hands to clap. So you
Yeah.
have to put fuel, you have to
Exactly.
feed. Oh, wow. I
Yeah.
love that. I love
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Do you have any regrets in life?
Actually not. No, we talk about this, and actually not. I would love to say that everything is a part of experience. Every experience, of course, one is harder than the other one. Sometimes I just say to myself, Kim, you knew it. It's like you just don't follow your instinct.
Okay. Would you like to share one of the hardships in your life? Anything if you want to.
I think that start again could be a little bit a challenge.
Starting again,
Yeah, starting
from
again.
zero in a new country.
Yeah.
Oh,
Every time that I'm starting again, that I just arrived to the new place, I say to myself, that is just one moment that I say to myself, Kim, you're doing this again. Why? It's like, why you're doing this again? But
yeah.
After that, it's just Kim. You put yourself in this position. So just
Okay. What are the qualities you need to start again?
you need resilience.
Resilience,
Yeah.
very important. Yeah.
I think that is the most important one. And live day by day. Just living day by day. Don't be worried about what is going to happen in the future, what happens in the past. Like just living day by day, and day by day you're finding your solutions. And also you need time to adapt to that new place. You need to take your time, your own rhythm to dance. I love to say that because it's your own rhythm to dance in that place.
Own rhythm to dance in that place. Oh, I like it. Oh, wow. So you are settling here in Marseille. How is it going for you?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love my.
Easy?
I cannot say, I don't like to put like good, bad, easy, difficult. Of course, if I can compare with another places that I have been, yeah, it's easier than the other ones for me in this case. But yeah, I think that the same, you need to build your opportunities.
Okay. So, tattoo artist, painter. When did you start painting?
Maybe at my 3 years old.
Oh, you have
4
been
years
painting
old.
for a long time? Yeah, okay. You're a painter?
Yeah, but if you want to say in the professional way,
Yeah.
I started maybe after my school, yeah. But that I started building my career also and going to take courses and studying art. It was when I was 18.
Oh, you studied art?
Yeah.
Okay.
I studied Airbrush.
Airbrush.
Yeah.
It's a qualification. Is it like a certificate or a diploma or a bachelor?
Actually, when I wanted to start studying Airbrush, I said, okay, I have this base that came from my family. Of course, they love me and I love them, but I need more.
Yeah.
I need to go to the next level in this technique because I had the technique before. So it was like, okay, I want to work with this one. And then I went to Colombia with one of my real best artists that I have. Like, I really admire him. The name is Walter Cano. So I went there to start hyperrealism in Colombia. And then I went to Greece with one of the other my favorite airbrush artists. The name is Nathan Macris, and I studied also with him. And then I was building my career.
Kim, you actually have your favorite artist. You followed them to Greece. You went to Colombia.
Yeah.
Not everyone knows at that age what they want to do. Not everyone knows that, will that be my future? Or not everyone has the courage to leave the country and go to Greece or to Colombia to learn.
Yeah.
So
I really believe that they're good artists and I want to learn from them.
like, how did you get this opportunity?
Actually, I just say to myself, I want to do this. Everything started when I put some idea like between here and I say, I want to do this. Then my mom always say, Kim, yeah, okay. Yeah, I cannot do anything for this, like just do it.
Yeah.
And yeah, then after my first workshop that I had in Colombia, in Medellin, with Walter Cano, that was amazing. We were exploring, we were doing laboratory about the women's, like putting some painter on the drops of painting on the face and doing our art, not just copy, like taking some picture and no, it started from the picture. It was a beautiful experience. And I say, okay, if I want to start again, I want to do it in this way. Because also having my school in Chile of Airbrush, I would love that the people come from another parts of the world to take courses with us.
Okay, yeah. Tell me about the school.
Well, we have a school in Santiago de Chile. The name of the school is Airbrush Studio. In Spanish is Aerografía Studio. And This school is working since 8 years ago. We started with my mom when she arrived. My mom, my partner, she's also an amazing artist. Her name is Nick Sagaro. And we started doing the school trying to do the same that she was doing all her life, but adding this new fact that I was there and I was studying in another place. So what we can take from every place and try to do it better.
And teach people.
And teach people, yeah.
Okay.
More than the technique, teach how to be an artist. That I cannot say that I know how to be an artist, but I can say that I know how to feel the art.
Oh.
So we start from that point.
Okay, talking about art, let's talk about your art. So starting from here,
Yeah.
what's the significance of that?
Well, actually, some of my tattoos, they are so aesthetic. They just connect some parts of my body, and another of them, they are part of specific things.
Okay.
Yeah.
I remember talking about, you told me, Rina, this tattoo is for listening. People don't listen nowadays.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
you have a tattoo here
It's
for that.
exactly that one.
Wow.
This tattoo was made for one of my favorite artists. His name is Fernando Sasso. He's living now in Chile, in the south of Chile. And yeah, actually, I think that is a really important fact. We need to listen, people. Being a teacher, being a human, or trying to move around this world, I think that we need to listen more, that we can expose when we met someone at the first time. We want to expose ourselves. We want that the people know what we are doing around the world or what we are here, why. But sometimes it's better if we just listen and then try to speak or say something, but not all the time about us.
I know, right? Oh, wow, I love it. So people actually listen to reply. They are not really listening.
We talk, yeah.
So, which is very important, right?
Yeah,
you
yeah.
need to listen.
And also, it's a factor, like to feel. You need to listen how the other people is feeling.
Wow. So, you said that, Rina, I'll do a live tattoo on you.
Yeah, I remember that. Can you imagine doing this interview, but I was tattooing you?
Me? No asking question, me shouting. Oh my God. No, it's
We can start actually from here until here.
Okay, what do you think?
I have a beautiful piece for you.
Okay. When you think of me, what tattoo would you like to do on me?
Actually, when I think on the body human, when I see the body human, I just start drawing in the way that your arm is going, that your anatomy it is. But yeah, I would love to put flowers around here and also a typical fruit or tree from your country.
Oh wow, that's beautiful.
Because you say also that you're from a lot of parts.
Yes, a lot of parts.
So,
I'll show you some magic trick. Okay, look at my arms.
Okay, so we can play with that.
Play with that. I know you would be interested in doing that.
I would love to do it.
No, that's good. So Kim, if you want to advise, give the young girls, to follow their dreams, what are the 3 things that you would like to tell them?
I would love to say that before broke your art or before start doing something that you think that could be a really piece or art, we need to study. I want to start from the education. We need to study because in a lot of niche of art, of tattoo, there are a lot of people also doing some kind of mistakes. In the tattoo niche is more delicate because you are working with the other human. And I think that when you're studying or when you study, you can go step by step and you can do it in the best way. When you do a lot of mistake and then you want to regret and start doing again, it's like the double of the path of the way. So I would love to start with education.
So education and then?
And then just follow your dreams.
Follow your dreams.
Yeah, and then just do it. Yeah,
oh, wow.
Yeah. But try to do it by yourself. Try to don't think too much about what the other people is going to think about you. Just do it.
Yeah, because many a times we think that it's not good for the society, it's not good for my family members, it's not something, oh my God, they will think, look down upon me.
Yeah, look what they are going to say, what they are going to think. yeah, I think that people are not really into you.
No.
Like people are not really looking what you are doing 100 all the time. Like, no.
No one cares.
No.
No,
They're
all
just doing,
busy.
because all of us, we're doing our things.
Yeah.
So you just do it.
Wow. So, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I
Humans.
think, humans,
Yeah.
I think, follow your dreams. But before that, education is very, very important.
Yeah.
Get yourself educated.
Yeah.
That's the key that we take from Kim today.
Look
Thank
what
you
you
so
want.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kim. Thank you
you
very
so much.
much.
Really nice.
Thank
That's
you.
a pleasure again.
Thank you.
Yeah.